Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Camera Reaction. Hi guys. So I'm back again guys with another reaction video to the group CNCO, and this is a reaction to their song Toxica. And I believe I listened to this song already. I really do like this version, this song so much, vocally speaking, because I think I reacted to this song already. The audio from the CD, and I talked about how much I like the song, and someone explained to me that it was Joel who basically wrote this song. So wrote the lyrics to this song. So I'm curious to see what these guys are gonna be giving to me. Live version. What?
Analizando que el plan era perfecto y todo estaba bien, sencilla y complicada a la misma vez. Yo no sé cómo me enamoré.
Yeah, come on.
Seguro lo intenté, me diste tu propina y yo me conformé. De 100 me diste 10, yo te lo acepté. Yo no sé cómo me enamoré.
Demasiado peso para subir la cuesta, ¿cuánto me cuesta? Lo que te digo nunca te suma, siempre te resta. Y aunque la vi, nunca me fui de la tormenta. Todo daño me hace bien. Aunque me duela decirte lo amo. Tú eres adictiva pero tóxica. Tóxica, diosa pero tóxica.
Toxica.
Y aunque me duela decirte lo amo. Tú eres adictiva pero tóxica. Toda una diosa pero tóxica.
Toxica.
Es que yo no paro de pensarte. Pido los mariposos a buscarte. Sé que eres tóxica y vuelve a engañarme.
Come on, give us the acoustics.
Pero sigo de loco atrevido y me sigo metiendo en lío por ti. Nadie me explicó que por tenerte a diario iba a recibir efectos secundarios y que poquito a poquito borra.
Come on, Chris, pull through. That was good.
Aunque me duela decirte lo amo. Tú eres adictiva pero tóxica.
Toxica.
Y aunque me duela decirte lo amo. Tú eres adictiva pero tóxica.
Toxica.
Analizando que el plan era perfecto y todo estaba bien, sencilla y complicada a la misma vez. Yo no sé cómo me enamoré.
Oh, that was a good ending, Richard. I like that. That was a very good ending. That was CNCO live version to the song Toxica. I really do like that. Very good. Like I said, vocally speaking, I think that song is very good for them, vocally speaking. Very good. Very good. I'm not disappointed with the reaction video I'm doing today to the group CNCO. I'm so happy to be back. I miss them so much. They're such good performers. I have not been reacting to them in a while, but I listen to Deja Vu all the time. I bought the album. I have the album on my Spotify and my Tidal. So I listen to them. Very good. I can't wait to see them live. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and we'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.